This is your
2-Minute Tuesday.
I'm part of this.
Research has shown play can improve a child's ability to plan, organise, get along with others, and regulate emotions. In particular, play helps with social skills and can even help with a child's ability to cope with stress. That's why on Maths Whiteboard, I have a growing collection of engaging activities that provide a little competition and fun, while still being able to effectively assess where students are at. So let's take a look. With Matchup, you choose a topic and how difficult you want the questions to be. Students are then shown 9 questions and 9 answers hidden behind 18 cards. They can turn any 2 at a time, and the idea is they match up the question with the relevant answer. To help with remembering where everything is, you can print out a template for the game, pop it in a plastic wallet, and students can answer the game with a mini whiteboard pen. With Mathu, students need devices. They access the game using one of 3 methods. You begin the game by choosing a specific topic and difficulty. Students are then shown a question, 1 correct answer, and 3 smart wrong answers. At the end of each question, you are shown a display of the answers and the relevant stats about their progress. With Bingo, you choose a topic and how difficult you want the questions to be. Students are then shown all the answers to the questions that are about to be revealed. They choose any 9 from the list to complete their 3x3 grid, and you begin the game. Whenever anyone has a line or a full house, you can check their answers using the answer list. With Wheel of Reward, it's my attempt at linking to a school's reward system. Select a topic and begin. Choose students to answer a specific level of difficulty. You can then choose based on the response as to whether they get a spin. In my school, we have house points, so they are given out on the wheel. Be careful though, for my booby passes. With Card Flip, you choose a topic and the class will be shown 8 cards. Behind each card is an unknown prize. Choose your best performing student from the lesson and ask them to choose a card. This is locked in until the end. Ask another student to choose a card. To flip it, they have to answer a question and get the reward behind the card. Keep going until all cards are gone and the original student knows their prize.